morning everybody, and here is the latest project, Claas Jaguar 970 harvester. And the story with this one is we're gonna refresh her slightly, so we're gonna polish the back panel, all the green parts. We're gonna respray the stairs, but because I'm limited for time today, as we are heading to Mill Street show with the company tomorrow, I just gonna do the polish today. Hopefully I'll finish it. Let me have a look how she looks like inside. So that's the top, not so bad actually. The roof also will be polished, and that's inside. Dirty dog, dirty seats, dirty plastics. Everything is dirty here. Dirty carpet. But we're gonna nicely prepare her some spider webs. Ceiling is not so bad. It is a little bit dirty, but we'll improve it. So yes, we'll see what we can do. There is some marks here, as you see. It's hardly scratched everywhere actually. Well, it is what it is. So wish me luck. I'm gonna take another short video soon, limited for space hardly, as there is still coyote here. No time to do it, and we'll see what we can do with this one. Alright, enjoy your day guys. I talk to you later. Okay, so end of day one, and back panel was polished. Have a look at the quality. Pretty much like brand new. There's still some little scratches visible, but I don't want to waste my time, to be honest, too much. As this panel was polished, also I'll show you what they've done. As you see, there is nice shine from the lights, and the chute was also cleaned. The chrome pipe was polished, and exhaust was also polished. A new mirror that I broke. I was trying to move the chute to the right, but it went to the left. Yeah, technology is smarter than me. The last time I used to do farming was about 22 years ago, before I came to Ireland, and roof was also polished, including flashlight. So have a look, like brand new. Nicely done. Yes, so this is Claas, guys. I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching. A few new subscribers last week, and channel is doing a lot better than before. So best of luck, farmers.